welcome back. Oh my god, I look I look crazy. Okay. Oh my god, the lighting is not good. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this time it's going to be about fashion, about shoes, about a brand that is called Heyyyy shoes. The thing is that Heyyyy shoes is a Ukrainian, no, it's a British brand, and I heard about it like some years ago and I just tried it out. I thought the price were super good. Okay, everything that I got here was on sale, so this is why the prices were amazing. And I got six pairs of shoes for €100. This is amazing, I think, especially because the shoes look super trendy. It's the type of shoes that you see on Instagram. They get inspired from designer shoes and then they just try to sell us the cheap version. So I thought maybe I'm going to share my experience with the brand. And yes, maybe you're gonna think, okay, I'm a student, I'm broke, and the prices are amazing, so that is the brand for me. Oh my god, how I sell things! I should be paid by the brand. Okay, whatever. Dun, 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 dun. So the first pair of shoes are those amazing mules. They're red, they're just beautiful. I can really see them with some like full white. I see them with everything. No, I'm not gonna act like I'm making looks in my head. I'm not. I think this goes with everything, like with some like red lipstick. It's just perfect. Second pair of shoes that I got. Da-da-da-dum. Aren't they cute? Come on. It's like, I love how pointed it is. It's the type of shoes that not everyone wears because of the color. Maybe it's too flashy, too whatever, too extra. But I am extra, so I have no problem with that. The next pair of shoes, it's pink. You can see that I love pink, but yeah, come on. I'm so in love. I don't need a man, I just need shoes, I think. Come on, they look amazing. The thing is that my ankles are super large, so I don't know how that is going to look on them, but whatever, I just love the shoes. Oh no, you're not ready for that. They look so amazing. Look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? Like, seriously. They were so amazing when I saw them on the website, and I was like, okay, I gotta buy them. Like, I don't know where I'm going to wear those, but I gotta buy them. The only problem is that here, I think it looks a bit cheap, if I have to be honest. And my goal was to actually buy them because the price was just perfect and super affordable. And I just thought, okay, I'm just gonna take it away, you know, once I get them. But actually, I realized that it's a bit difficult to... It doesn't go off, so I'm a bit disappointed. But it's fine. Like, I just tried them on and I thought, okay, it's actually not as bad as I thought it would be. And yeah, it maybe looks a bit cheap, but I don't care. I don't care. I really don't care. Wait, I'm struggling. Wait. Okay, the next pair of shoes are those. Okay, I have to admit that I exaggerated maybe a little bit, but come on, like, the style of the shoes was amazing, I thought. And I was like, okay, you gotta get them in blue and pink. Yeah, they look amazing, I think. It's a kind of like latex material. I don't know how to say. But they look super cute. The heel is quite high. I have to admit that I hate heels. Like, seriously, I hate them. If I just go to the restaurant with my girls or something like that, then why not? But I think they look super cute. Come on. You are not. Oh my god, no, you're not ready. You're not ready. Come on. They look amazing. Look at that. Look at that. That's the type of shoes that you wear at the club, and then you feel like Beyonce. You feel good. You feel like everybody's gonna look at you. Okay, I have to admit that those are the one that I tried before because I was so excited. I tried them, babes, and I have to tell you something. It doesn't fit me. I really tried. I just tried every way, every possible way, but it just doesn't work. I don't know, like maybe I might do a giveaway or I might try to lose some weight. You know, that's the thing that you say and then the actual clothing piece stay for like months and months in your closet because you never really lose weight. So I have to say that I really love the brands and I'm gonna buy from them again and again. When it comes to the shoes, they're super gorgeous. Come on. Most of the things that they have on their website is super trendy and they're quite comfortable, but that might change from a person to another. Depends on how comfortable you are in general with heels. I personally hate heels. I really wear heels when it's like important events or whatever. But when it comes to my everyday life, it's a no. It's a no. I'm also a student, you know, so I'm not gonna go to university with like big heels and shit, you know. But yes, I hope that you loved my video. No, liked my video at least. That's all I ask. If you did so, then please subscribe to my channel. That would be amazing. Let me know if you want other videos, if you have ideas or anything related to my YouTube channel. And yes, I was super happy to film this. So yes, I send you thousands of kisses.